Start with a square of fabric. Mine's 18 by 18, but it doesn't really matter what size. Cut it in half diagonally or on the bias. Flip one of your triangles over on the other, right sides together, and sew right here. You should end up with this shape. Now go ahead and iron that seam open. On the wrong side of your fabric, draw lines marking how thick you want your bias tape. I'm doing 1.5 inches. Flip your fabric in a tube so that the lines line back up, and then scoot them all over one so they're just off by one. This is what's going to make it spiral. Clip that together and sew along that. Use an iron to open up that seam, and now comes the cool part. So starting with the edge that's kind of poking off, cut along your lines, and if you did this correctly, it should just keep spiraling around and around and around until you have one really long piece of fabric. Now let's iron. Fold your bias tape in half like this, iron it, open that up, fold the inside into the middle crease on both sides, and then fold that in on itself. It should look like this when it's all done. It's okay if it's not perfect. Mine wasn't perfect and it still worked out alright. Keep ironing all the way along and ta-da! You have your very own bias tape. Good job!